Hi, my name is Ruth Gates. I'm the Apprentice Manager at Swansea Bay University Health Board. We recruit a lot of apprentices in loads of different departments, and I think the beauty of having apprenticeships is the variety of frameworks that people can enrol on. Obviously recruiting into posts and also upskilling our existing staff. Gower College Swansea give us the opportunity to do both. We recruit apprentices within the health board to lots of different teams. We've got over a 70% retention rate for our apprentices into posts. So we offer a wide range of apprenticeships at different levels. The main ones are business admin, customer service for posts that people apply for. We also offer healthcare support, so people can train to become a healthcare support worker through the apprentice route. We've got apprenticeships in IT, in our legal teams, in accountancy, in pathology, in our laboratories. And we're exploring with Gower College Swansea now the opportunity for apprenticeships in our estates department, also within informatics and higher level of qualifications around that. With apprentices, what we do is we make sure that the job description that they have to start with is really fit for purpose. So both the person applying and the department knows what's expected of that apprentice. But they're not there to replace a person who was doing that particular job before, that it is the developmental role. We allow usually one day a month, one day a fortnight, depending on the apprenticeship itself and what's required of that apprenticeship qualification for the apprentice to have appropriate study time. But with our vacancies, they're all advertised on NHS Jobs, so our track system and the way that any other vacancy is, and people apply for those posts, those apprenticeship posts. I'd say, first of all, get in touch with Gower College Swansea. They've been invaluable in the information, advice and guidance they've given us in terms of what's available for our organisation, and explore different opportunities that you can offer. Look at replacing vacancies with apprenticeships, to give people that chance and to develop into roles. I think the labour market now is quite buoyant, so people are looking for different opportunities and looking to try something new and have a qualification as well as experience.